Hi, I'm Mr. Duffy, and I will be your chemistry teacher this year. Even though this year is going to be very different, I'm extremely excited to be back in front of the classroom and teaching you. With this video, I hope to be able to teach you what you're going to be learning in chemistry this year and how I will be teaching it to you. So I first want to start off by saying that I have never taught an online course before. I've taken online courses and in college and so forth, but I've never taught one myself. But I really do enjoy using technology in a traditional classroom, especially since kids have had Chromebooks the past couple years. I've tried to integrate technology into the course as much as I possibly could. So, with that being said, again, I'm going to try my best to make sure whether we're on the green, the yellow, or the red plan, to make sure that my lessons are organized, cover the most relevant, essential material in the chemistry course, and again, they're clear to follow. I'm going to try my best at this, and so I hope that you guys try your best to learn in the course. Doing your best in chemistry this year is going to be difficult. It's going to require you to stay on top of your assignments, check those due dates, and not wait to the last minute to do all your work. It will require you to ask questions and be engaged in live sessions. You can ask questions to me in a variety of ways, and those will be covered in the syllabus. It will also probably require you to learn some of the material on your own. So let's get started into what chemistry is really going to be all about. Chemistry is the study of matter and how it behaves. It is the branch of what we call the physical sciences, so you might remember covering some of these topics from your freshman year. We will start by talking about taking measurements, then we will cover how the theory of the atom was developed and the atom is organized. We will move into how the elements were discovered and organized into a periodic table. This will all be covered in the first semester. For the second semester, we will cover more about how atoms interact with each other. So we will be talking about how atoms bond together and how they react in chemical reactions. Calculations called stoichiometry will allow us to do some of the math and solve how much of a certain chemical we will need or might be formed in a chemical reaction. Finally, in the second semester, we will talk about how solutions of acids and bases behave and their unique properties. While teaching these concepts, I will try my best to incorporate real-life examples. Sometimes it gets lost that science is all around us. Currently, it is more important than ever to realize that chemistry doesn't have to be something that we just do in the classroom. So now we're at the part of my introduction into chemistry, in which I would share with you why I love teaching chemistry. Chemistry is such a hands-on class. We do experiments that are and use equipment that are unique to chemistry and you have never used before. You probably can imagine how difficult that will be this year. There are two reasons, obviously, for this. One is COVID, and we are going to start online throughout the year. But even if we return, school will be very different from when we left. Another reason is that the science lab area was remodeled over the summer, and currently it is not finished. Right now, there are actually absolutely no tables in our lab for you to even work at. And so our lab is just one big empty room. But like I said before, I will try my best. I will do lots of demonstrations in front of our class. I will videotape lessons and experiments in which you will analyze and collect your own data and come to your own conclusions. I will provide simulations that will enhance your understanding of abstract concepts, and I will try to make this sure that you can leave this course with a good understanding of what chemistry is all about. I look forward to working with you throughout the year. We're going to learn a lot, and I hope you're up for the challenge.